Hello and welcome to MavCraft. Today, as you can see, I'm just working in creative mode here to show you guys an intro to ComputerCraft. So we're going to start off here by going to our inventory. And as you can see, I'm just on the second page here that says ComputerCraft. We're going to take this first computer down and set it right there and exit inventory. Set it right in front of us. Oops, and I actually already entered, but if you right click right here, that will bring you right in, and the blinking line means that you can start typing. So right away here, let's look at help. This will just show you how to do anything, things you can type in to see more information on. So first off here, let's look at the programs. These are just kind of the main programs that you can run, and if you type in help index, these will show you even more. Luckily, you don't actually have to memorize all of these programs that are in here. We can actually just see what a program does by typing in help and then the program name. So if we do help reboot here and click enter, this just tells us that this will reboot the computer off and on again. So let's do that. As you can see, it just reopened everything and restarted. You can actually also do this by clicking Control R, and another good control to know is Control T, and that will terminate a loop if it is continuously running, but we'll deal with those more later. So another important thing to start off with is APIs. So these are just all of the commands you can use while actually writing your code, which we'll get into a little bit. You don't have to worry about these too much right now because we'll go through them. One we'll be using a little bit here is term, as you can see at the bottom there. So let's actually start to begin to create our first code. So we can do this by opening a new command by typing in edit, or a new program, edit, and then we are going to do hello world. I'm sure some of you may already know how to do this, but it's always good to have a review, and if you don't, then it's a good place to start. So by typing enter, this will bring us into our editor, and since this is a super simple program, this is just one line, and you can see what line you're on at the bottom right of the screen here, and then at the bottom left, you can press Control, and as you can see, you can save or exit. So now we'll get to coding here. So for this first one, we're just going to do term.write, and then you always need to put strings in quotation marks. Perfect. So that is it, actually. So once you're done with that, we can save it and exit. So we'll be running our first program here now. So we just need to type in just the name of the program and click enter, and as you can see, it has run. However, I have to actually enter to get down to the next line, so we can actually fix this by again going back into our program by doing edit hello world, and this brings us back in here. So we can fix that problem by deleting term write and replacing that with just print. Easy and short fix to that, and we'll exit again, and now when we run it, you can see that it just prints out the stuff between those quotation marks. Perfect. Now that we know that super simple code, we can get into something a little bit more complex. So again, we'll open a new code by typing in hello user. So as you saw, hello user is now the new name of this program. And for this one, we actually want the user to be able to input their name, so it can say hello and then their name. So we are going to start off here by write, please enter your name. So this line just is able to show the user to actually enter their name, and now we'll be able to access that by writing local username equals read. So that just reads that input, and then we're able to print it off by typing the last line here, hello, comma, username to have it print off that answer, comma, period. So that is all for that. So we will save and exit again. And now when we run hello user, please enter your name. And our name is MavCraft. So we'll enter that and it says hello MavCraft. Perfect. All right, so that is it for that today. I know it's just beginner stuff, but I promise we will get to more exciting things. Have a great day.